After 4.5 months of physical therapy, 9 days on the X10, and I got to 130 degrees. My name is Kathy. I'm 64 years old, and I had a total knee replacement right now about 5 months out from my surgery. I expected to be the Wonder Woman of recovery, and unfortunately, that turned out not to be the case in spite of my best efforts. I actually endured 38 outpatient physical therapy sessions. I would work as hard as I could and endure the pain to the point where I would literally cry, or, it sounds gross, but sometimes I literally actually vomited just from the pain of, pulling on my leg. I gave it the best effort possible, but after a while it became really plain to me that what we were doing was not working, and in fact my insurance company agreed and decided that it was not efficacious to continue outpatient physical therapy. I also knew that I was just literally going to have an emotional breakdown if I had to continue doing what I was doing. I said to myself, I sure hope my left leg holds out, because I am never going to do this again, because it was honestly the most awful experience of my life. And not because of the pain, because you expect the pain, but because of the debilitation, the loss of independence, and then in my case, when I got stuck, the lack of hope and the frustration. It's at that point that I decided I needed to look for something different. I came across a testimonial. Someone had done this thing called the X10. And then once I had that word, the X10 therapy, then a whole world came tumbling open to me of information. And I realized it was a real thing, and I realized that it was helping people. It ignited something in me which had been lacking for a long time, which was hope, that there was something that could help me. I was very comfortable. I actually felt like crying as I was sitting there on the machine, because I knew that the hope I felt when I first discovered the X10 website wasn't false hope. I knew that there was going to be a chance. One of the most important things is that the X10 comes with a whole team of professionals who are very much like family to you, and they monitor your progress, because the technology of this machine is so amazing that it sends your progress directly to them. It's hard to believe, if you haven't experienced it, that there could be such a difference in such a short time. 4.5 months of pain and suffering, and in 9 days, I feel like myself again.